Aditi Singh is an Indian politician. She was an Indian National Congress MLA from the constituency of Rae Bareli in the state of Uttar Pradesh. She is one of the youngest members of Uttar Pradesh's 17th Vidhan Sabha. She won the assembly election in 2017 by a margin of more than 90,000 votes. She is married to Angad Singh Saini, an MLA in Punjab Legislative Assembly from Nawanshahr constituency. Her father Akhilesh Kumar Singh is a five-time representative of Rae Bareli Sadar for multiple political parties. Aditi was educated in Delhi and Mussoorie before attending Duke University in the United States for a degree in management. She was involved in social work before her political career. Singh has been named as the National General Secretary of All India Mahila Congress by Rahul Gandhi on 23 August 2018 and National in charge of Priyadarshini, the Congress Women Wing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.